Welcome to the in front of me REALME C31, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you go into the settings application and then click here on the sound section. Now here we got the ringtone and notification button panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should swipe with your finger here to the left side. That's start. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just by using the volume buttons here on the right side of our device. Press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on the settings icon, and here you'll see again the ringtone notification volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should swipe this blue dot to the left side and then click here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.